Welcome to PrepareNext.com. We offer you job details. Today we're going to see about Python programming language. At first, what is Python? Python is a powerful interpreted language used for creating websites and automation tasks and conducting data analysis that is object oriented, interpretive, and high level. Python is your best choice. The language can be easily scripted and easy to learn. As a result, you'll reduce the overall development time of your code. Its libraries and API is make it possible to analyze and visualize the manipulated data. The easy to learn syntax empower readability and thereby reducing maintenance cost. As a result, modules and packages are supported in Python, which increase the program modularity and reuses. Python is the next big thing to interested in. There is no doubt about it. Although Python is rapidly losing the popularity among developers and other fields, it remains a valuable technology that can help you advance your career in the future. How do I become a Python developer? The ability to program in Python event driven frameworks and use Python web frameworks. Understand the basics of front end technologies, a high level attention to details, communicate well and solve problems well. Code versioning tools are well understood. Job requiring Python programming languages are more common in software engineer roles. As an expert in Python, you may choose several job titles other than a software engineer. Python learners can apply for the following job titles: software engineer, analyze and test user requirements, write and test code, write operational documentation, consult with the clients, and work closely with other staff members, develop existing programs. Senior software engineer using scripting and other tools automate tasks, review and debug code, perform validation and verification testing, and apply version control and design patterns. DevOps engineer updates and fixes, analyze and resolution of technical problems, development of scripts to automate presentation, level 2 technical support. Data scientists develop predicted modules and ML algorithm, identify and automate data sources, pre-process data and analyze it, perform data visualization, deliver solution to business challenges. Quality assurance engineer. Before software is released to the public, a quality assurance engineer ensure that all checks have been completed. To ensure that the products meet the quality standards and requirements, they supervise the process from delivery to design. They work from team to report the manager. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers design and develop AI algorithm that can learn and make predictions and that define machine learning. Engineers in this field must assess, analyze, and organize massive amount of data. Product manager. An effective product manager understands the customer needs and larger the business objective that product or feature will meet, calculates what success looks like for a product, and relays a team to make this vision looks reality. Stay tuned for upcoming updates. PrepareNext.com. Thank you.